Namaskar students. Today we are going to discuss PRPT Unit 5 Petrochemicals C1 compounds. It includes methanol and formaldehyde. Now today let's discuss about methanol. Formula of methanol is CH3OH. Molecular weight 32. Okay. Melting point minus 97.6 degree Celsius. Boiling point 64.7 degree Celsius. Toxicity limit 200 ppm parts per million. Explosive limit lower explosive limit and upper explosive limits. This indicates the concentration of particular substance. 6 volume% in air and here 36.5 volume% in air. Okay. Density 0.788 at 20 degree Celsius. These are the properties of methanol. Now manufacturing methods. Which are the methods used to manufacture the methanol? So basically two methods. First one is from oxidation of methane. When methane react with oxygen, it gives methanol. And second method is from synthesis gas. Synthesis gas is the mixture of CO plus H2. Reaction is CO plus 2H2 gives CH3OH, methanol. Okay. In our syllabus, second process is there. So we are now discuss the manufacturing methods of methanol from synthesis gas. Okay. Now let's discuss methanol flow sheet. The raw material for methanol is synthesis gas. Synthesis gas is a mixture of CO plus H2. Okay. Now let's start the flow sheet. Starting point is inlet of synthesis gas from compressor. So compressor, the pressure is maintained 3000 to 5000 psi. What is our raw material? CO plus H2. What is this? Synthesis gas. Synthesis gas is compressed at 3000 to 5000 psi with the mixture of recycled gas, and then it is sent. That means mixture is sent to a reactor. This is reactor. Line steel surface. This one is line steel surface. The pressure is 200 to 275 atm and the temperature is 300 to 375 degree Celsius. Okay, it is a copper line surface. From top steam is there. Okay, then it goes to a cooler. After cooler, it goes through a let down valve from where impurities is removed. Let downs to 14 atm pressure. From here to here pressure is decreased. Okay, the ratio of CO and H2 is maintained 2:25, hydrogen to carbon monoxide. So here H2 to CO, raw material is synthesis gas, but this ratio is maintained due to conversion factor. Okay, now purge gas is removed from here, and then some of the recycled gas back. And the mixture of H2 to CO and recycled gas goes to the compressor and then react. Okay, now from let down valve it goes to a where fuel gas is removed. Then gas is depressurized and purified by KMnO4. Then it is sent to a KMnO4 for purification and to remove the lighter ends like ether. So from here it is, or we can draw from here, this is a stripper. From stripper here what we removed? Ether. Okay, what is this? Ether tower. From ether tower, after removing lighter ends means what? Dialdehyde ether. It is sent to a column. What is this? Fractionator column, where methanol is removed from the top of the column and steam, here also steam. Heavy ends here, that is heavy alcohols is removed. Now what is basic? First of all, synthesis gas with recycled gas is compressed in a compressor having 3000 to 5000 psi pressure. Hydrogen to carbon monoxide ratio is maintained as 2.25. Okay, then the mixer is goes to the reactor. What is reactor is? Reactor is made of copper lined steel surface. In reactor condition, there is condition. What is the condition? 200 to 300 atm pressure and 300 to 375 degrees Celsius temperature. After that, it goes through the cooler and let downward to reduce the pressure up to 14 atmosphere. From that, it goes to the purifier to remove the impurities. So with the help of KMNO4. Then to remove the light ends like dialdehyde ether, it goes through the stripper. From top, ether is removed and further methanol solution is sent to a fractionator column where methanol is taken from overhead and heavy alcohol is removed from the bottom of the column. Okay, heavy alcohol, that means heavy molecular weight compounds. Okay, these are the simple process flow diagram and this is the key points of methanol. Okay, got it? Now let's discuss the major engineering problems of methanol, that is in short MEP of methanol. First one is thermodynamic and kinetic consideration. This MEP is based on the pressure and temperature. Okay. Second one is catalyst falling. Catalyst is used in reactor. So not a single catalyst, there is a mixture of catalyst is used. So for example, manganese, zinc, aluminum and aluminum oxides are used as a catalyst. If the ratio of H2 to CO, we have a 2:25, but if the ratio of 2.1 H2 to CO is used, so the catalyst falling is occurs. Third problem is reactor design. And fourth one is inert gas accumulation. Now let's discuss the products of methanol. Products of methanol. It is used for the manufacturing of formaldehyde. The raw material for formaldehyde is methanol. It is also used as solvents, as coating agents as manufacturing silicons, that is methyl chloride and methacrylates. These are the products from methanol. Now the production of methanol in India. Okay, which company is manufacturing methanol? So first one is GNFC Bharuch. Gujarat Narmada Valley Fertilizers and Chemicals Limited. RCF Rashtriya Chemicals and Fertilizers, RCF Trombay. Maharashtra. Okay, now third one is NFL National Fertilizers Limited, Punjab. Okay, these are the 2 or 3 companies which are manufacturing methanols. Okay, C1 compounds methanol is over. Now in next lecture we will discuss about formaldehyde, HCHO. Okay, if you like this video then please share and subscribe this channel to get new updates. Okay, thank you.